Hi, in this quick vid I'm going to show you how to add a child theme to your site. So the reason why you might do this is so you can add specific code in to alter the original theme, and you don't want to do this in the original theme, you want to do it in the child theme so it doesn't get overwritten once you update your parent theme. So go down to plugins, click add new, and in the search box just type child theme. The one I use is this one here because it's been updated recently and it's also got lots of installations, so it means that it's probably a good one. Then click install now, then click activate. Okay, so that's now installed, so now we can set up the child theme. So if you go down to the tools panel and then click on child themes, make sure you tick this section here, create a new child theme, and you can see in section 2 it says select a parent theme, and it's already chosen my parent theme, which is Divi. So then we just click analyze, and that's great because it says this theme appears okay to use as a child theme, so we know it's safe for us to go ahead and create the new child theme. So if you scroll down to the button and then click create new child theme, and that's done. So I always just double check everything. So if you go back to the appearance panel and click on themes, and you can see there's the Divi child theme. So obviously we need to activate that now, so that's going to replace our parent theme, which is this one. So click activate, and then if I go to the front of the site, you can see there's no issues, there's no error messages, there's no weird looking code. Obviously there's nothing in this site, that's why it looks like that. But we know that there's no errors. So then if I go back into the dashboard and go back down to tools and then child themes, I'm just going to show you this extra tab called files. If you click on that, you can see that these are some other pages that you could add into the child theme as well. The header.php and the footer.php are common pages to add, so we might add them. And then go down and click copy selected to child theme. And then you can see they've added the extra files in here. Then the next thing we'll do is just go and double check that. So if you go back to the appearance panel and then click on theme editor, you'll see there they are there. So there's the footer.php and the header.php. So that's it. So basically what I've just shown you is how to install a child theme. One thing I forgot to mention is if you have customized CSS in the parent theme, make sure you copy that over and paste it into the new child theme. So for example, if I go to appearance and then customize and go to additional CSS, if you have anything in here in the original theme, copy that first and then you can paste it in the same section in the child theme. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.